This video won't waste even a single second of your time, because I'm going to show you how to make talking animation videos like big creators using completely free tools. First, we need an animator. For that, we'll go to Ideagram. Just open the site, copy the prompt from the description, paste it there, choose your favorite model, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and hit Generate. In a few seconds, you'll see amazing images appear on your screen. And if you don't like one, just click Generate again. Super easy. Once you're happy with the image, download it. Now, let's animate our character. For that, we'll use a tool called DupDub. First, sign up on DupDub, click AI Avatar, then New Avatar. Upload the image you made, paste your text in the side box, and click Generate. In a few moments, your AI voiceover will be ready.
Welcome to the future of content creation, powered by AI, crafted by creativity.
Next, let's remove the watermark. No need for any fancy AI tools. Just open CapCut or any other video editor, add your video, crop it a little to hide the watermark, and save it. And finally, your talking animation video is ready. Now, upload it and show the world your AI power. And don't forget to follow for more awesome tutorials like this.